guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome again. Welcome again. Yes, this is my official intro, I guess, because I keep saying the same thing. If you're new, hi, welcome, and thank you to stop by. We're gonna build strong bonds with this video. Who knows? Yes. Today we have this makeup going on my face, and I don't know how to call this makeup. It's really glowy, summery, shimmery, pop of color, everything what you want from the makeup. It's on my face. Yes, it's on my face. Today I really want to play with this palette. It's been with me for a long time and I haven't played. So today is the day. I finally had a chance to play. So we're creating something with this. I'm just thinking how I ended up having this makeup. We're gonna see throughout the video how we start and how we ended up having this makeup. This is the question. Yes. But I'm really liking this look. Let me give you a close-up, guys. Yeah, I might have like some fallout here. I got a little lazy end of the video because it was like really struggle to get on this point makeup wise. So I'm like, okay, whatever, just finishing the video. So excuse my fallout if you see some. I mean, it's like some, just a little bit. Anyway, guys, this is my look. So let the show start. I'm excited to show you how we're gonna get this makeup. Let's go to video. Hi guys, how are you? Today I want to do something light and fresh since the summer vibe wants us. Just the freshness and the light makeup. Yes, I have been having this palette for a long time and I haven't had a chance to play with it. So I figured why not, I'm not gonna play with those beautiful colors. This is the ABH Pro Pigment palette. So let's start with my base as always. For my base, what should I use? Summertime, I've been using my GLAMGLOW Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. This is the sample size in shade Nude Glow. This is 2-in-1, like it's giving me really nice glow as you see, and it's really moisturizing. For my foundation, I'm gonna be using my Nars Stromboli. I'm gonna be mixing it with my Born This Way in shade Sand. They both has nice dewy finish. Get the hairline. Let me give you a close-up, guys. So this is our base. Okay, foundation is done. And now let me prep my eyelids. For eyelids, I'm gonna be using my Pillow Louise base. I am doing the tapping motion, like patting motion, tapping motion, whatever motion it is. Not to get crazy, but it's gonna craze, I know. I try everything. As you know, guys, I don't set my eyelid. Let me darken you up a little bit. I feel we can be a little dark. I guess it's better. I'm directly gonna dive into the eyeshadow palette. Look at, guys, I haven't touched the palette, so we need to get good use out of it today. Let's start with the crease color. As a crease color, I'm gonna be starting with this B3. Today I want to do neon liner or neon pop of color on somewhere. So we're gonna play with some neon here. But I want to build my crease. I guess I'm just directly diving into this orange here. This is the A5. Oh, sorry guys if I'm out of frame here. I'm just applying it outer parts. See, guys, how easy to blend. And what is on the brush, I'm just gonna drag it here. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm just gonna put my face on this lighting. How is my light? I hope it's good. I don't know. This color is really neon on the palette, but when you guys just blend the color, it getting softer. Okay, for now, I guess I don't want to do lots of things to the eye, but I'm gonna apply the inner part. So let's do it. Since I haven't put any eyeshadow, my inner part is like creasing a little bit. So I need to put something over there. I'm taking my first shade, crease shade, B5. I'm just putting the color so it sets. See the differences, guys? If I don't get rid of the crease when I put the eyeshadow on top, it's just patchy. You see? I really don't understand. I've been watching makeup videos and girls doesn't get rid of the crease and they immediately put the eyeshadow. I'm like, how come you don't get crease? How come you don't get patchy eyeshadow application? So don't get tricked, guys. Every time fix your crease first before you put the eyeshadow to get the nice smooth application. Okay, and then I want to apply this beautiful neon color. Yes, I'm gonna apply it. This one. I just can't stop, guys. Whew. Am I regretting? I don't know. Not yet. Maybe I need to get like some line. Yes, let's do this. You know we have cake liner, and if you want the review, popped here. Yes, you're gonna see my struggle on these liners, but I wanna give it a go again. I'm gonna use this color to match up my pop on the front. Inside my nails, I got all foundation, so don't judge me if you see foundation and nails. Because when I do my makeup, I'm all into it with my fingers. Yes. So to use this one, I'm gonna be using my water. I already put water a little bit. I'm taking my eyeliner brush and directly dip in here. Do you see, guys, what I'm doing? Let me give you a close up so you can see how to use. I'm just trying to get the consistency that I want. I'm not good at onliners, so it could be messy here. Okay, guys, the thing is, okay, when you use this cake liner, you need to accept the fact they're all cakey. They are not smooth eyeliner consistency. It's patchy and it leaves the mark. I mean, at least when you apply it on your eyelid. To make the color match, I'm gonna apply a little bit on my inner parts. This could be disaster at end of the video, guys. I'm scared. Okay, it's just disaster, but I need to match this part now. I'm taking my original color here, so I'm picking it top. Should I stop and not record this video because it's just disaster, guys? I can't, I just can't. I'm gonna be dipping this color again. So I want some help. I need some help. Drag it down to fix this part a little bit. Okay, guys, I know I look weird, but we're gonna pull through this. Look. Yes, I'm believing it. I want to use this one. Okay, if we're all messy, let's go. Let's go more. So I'm gonna be taking this color now. Why not? You know, why not? I'm taking dancer brush and I'm popping it here. I feel I'm just a kid who gets the colorful palette and dip into the every color. Messed up all natural beauty. And those eyeshadows doesn't stick on top of each other. I tried to pack the color, but it's not packing. I guess on other part, I'm gonna add a little bit more color. I'm gonna be taking A5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. For the connection point, I'm gonna use this beautiful orange. Okay, nothing is matching my top. Nothing here. Okay, on the Pro Pigment palette too, I found this one. It looks like yellow here, but when I hold this, you can see better. It's like lime greenish. I'm gonna put this color to connect these two. I'm just cover whole inner part with this. As a last touch on my crease, I swear it's gonna be the last touch. I'm gonna be taking this color from the Pro Pigment palette for the last one. I wanna pop it in the middle to get at least some sparkle action. I'm gonna take E2. It's the another sparkle, but the color is more whitish something, and I'm gonna put it through the inner part. I guess we did it, guys. I'm gonna change this liner though. I feel no. I'm gonna go with my black liner to cover up this liner because I'm really hating it. Really, really. Okay, we have big ass liner here, but I feel it's better. Let me fix this one too. Now I'm gonna do my face. For concealer, I'm gonna be using my CoverGirl True Blend. It's really nice concealer, and sometimes I use just this concealer all over my face and I don't use any foundation. For my contour, I'm gonna use KVD. I'm taking this color here, the darkest one. I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder in butter. And then I'm gonna be taking my Nars Laguna. This is the not matte version. This is the version that has little shine on it. I put way too much. Oh my god. Oh my god, what's happening today? What's going on today? I'm just gonna highlight it with my powder. My nose looks so bad. Lastly, on face, I'm taking my Nars Luster blush. Since it's the orange, I feel it's good time to use it because I already feel orange enough. For under eye, I'm just gonna do soft. I'm gonna be taking B5, this color. I'm running through the under eye. Then I'm gonna be taking my favorite palette, NATASHA DENONA bronze palette, and I'm taking the deep dive and I'm running it through the really close to lash line. Wow guys, let me give you a close up. I'm like so proud of how I messed up my makeup and pull it through again. So we're good to go now. For my highlighter, I'm gonna be using my Jacqueline the Flare palette. I'm gonna be mixing these two, the first two. Okay, we have lip left, so for lip I'm not doing anything crazy. Lately I'm just doing nude I love nude. Okay, I'm just gonna go with the nude. So I'm gonna be using my dose of color in Supernatural. As always, I love this color. On top, I'm gonna be using my iconic London lip plumping gloss. Voila, I'm finally done, guys. I'm so happy. I'm just pulled through this makeup. Finally done. I know it's totally different what we started on our journey, but the important part is how we ended up. How we end up. This is the important part. So no judging here. I don't know what should I call this makeup. Just play with makeup, have fun with makeup, struggle with makeup. This black liner definitely saved the look. Definitely. Guys, that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Yes, I love you guys. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye guys.